Businesses in areas frequented by a large number of COVID-19 cases has dropped in the last few days, some by as much as 40%. The latest Health Ministry map indicates that there are at least 3 such areas in the eastern part of Singapore. The country's daily new case count has surged after Chinese New Year holidays, hitting highs of more than 13,000. Tan Se-hui reports.
This bubble tea shop at Eunos Crescent opened just 4 months ago and is already facing one of its biggest challenges.
We have experienced a close to 30% drop in customer walk-in, and that translates to quite a substantial amount of our revenue intake.
Mr. Chin says he's already lost customers who work around the area after the festive period, so he's relying on those who live nearby. But that too has reduced to a trickle.
It's either they stay at home or they choose not to wander around anymore because of the cases of Omicron rising. And yesterday I had one customer who I've not seen him for 2 weeks, and he said he has contracted COVID, so he's staying at home.
Now, along the entire stretch behind me, at least 2 stores have said that business has dropped drastically over the last few days, and they say it could be that people aren't leaving their homes. Now, according to Health Ministry data, up to 300 positive cases visited Geylang East area over the last 3 days, and Eunos Crescent is part of Geylang East. This map shows places frequented by COVID-19 cases within the last 3 days. Apart from Geylang in the eastern part of the island, Bedok North and Tampines East are other areas where a large number of detected cases had visited. One expert says the socializing patterns of residents could be a factor.
The key point here is how often do they travel? How far do they travel, and what are the places they travel to? I think these are the key questions rather than just a very simplistic look at the density of the neighborhoods. But like I said, all things being equal, density, of course, is something that will accentuate transmission rates.
Hawkers at this food centre are also seeing a drop in the number of customers dining in. Instead,
those packaging for people take away for food, there was a lot.
Stallholders are also cautious to ensure they remain safe.
But
they say they're largely not concerned despite a rise in cases. That's because they've received their booster shots, and Singapore is learning to live with the virus.